Gihatagan o gibug-aton ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr. ang digitalization sa Nasud ug ang barato ug paspas nga internet connection ato sa 23rd International Cable TV and Telecommunication Congress and Exhibit. Hinungdan nga giaghat niini ang cable TV ug telecom sector nga makatambayayong sa gobyerno alang sa digitalization sa Nasud. Matod sa Federation of International Cable TV and Telecommunications Association of the Philippines o FICTAP nga makighiusa sila sa Pangulo. Sa gipadalang mensahe ni GMA Network Chairman ug CEO Attorney Felipe Elgozon nga dako ang papel sa digitalization alang sa viewer feedback aron mas mapanindot pa sa network ang mga programa niini.
We cannot do business without good internet coverage. We cannot trade with other countries without good internet and without good telecommunications. We cannot do all of the things that are necessary to transform our economy without good connectivity, with a high bandwidth, with good speed, and at a very affordable price.
We would like to be able to provide affordable internet connectivity to our greater nationwide population from the 2nd to 6th class municipalities. As we pursue our joint initiatives and aspiration for a national broadband strategy,
it is important for us to listen, predict significant developments in technology, identify opportunities that could substantially influence consumer habits, and be swift to iterate and pivot our programs for the viewers. Thanks to digital, internet-based services, we receive specific and real-time feedback. These analytics help us evolve our programs based on viewer behavior as well as on other nuances presented by the data.